This is a Braun Series 5 5035S shaver. Easy to clean system, 100% waterproof. Well, easy to clean and 100% waterproof. These are things I like. It comes with this specialized head for creating stubble. You know how a lot of the guys out there like to have stubble? Well, that's not for me, but this is a specialized head that comes with this particular shaver. It also comes with this clip-on trimmer. I find this is great for getting around my mustache and making sure that that looks clean. Of course, it comes with a little cleaning brush, it comes with a charger, and it comes with a manual. Most important thing when it comes to a shaver is whether or not it gives you a good shave. We're going to find that out right now. Wow, nice job already. Look at how much it took off. I've just been doing a few strokes on this side, and that's the other side. We got this side, side by side. Let's try the trimmer. Yep, only goes on one way. There we go. Oh, it tickles a little. That's a nice clean line above the lip and a nice job of evening out all of the hairs on the upper lip. So yeah, I'd say that's a success. I'd say that this Braun 5035S is a great shaver. It did a great job. I am really happy that I got it so that I could show it to you. I hope you like this video. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and have a good day, have a good week, have a good month, have a good year, have a good life.